Hello guys, it's Andrew from Wise Green Energy here. We're here in Felthorpe, just near Norwich, and we're installing a new solar PV system. 7.3 kilowatt system with a new Give Energy 13.5 kilowatt battery storage system. Let's check it out. So for the kit list, we have 17 430 watt Urena panels and a Give Energy 13.5 kilowatt battery. This has a 6 kilowatt charge and discharge rate, which allows the customers to save huge amounts on their electricity. Next, we're going to go up on the roof, and our roofing team are going to do some measurements and start lining out the roof hooks. So we're up on the roof now. The guys have already marked out where the hooks are going with these white chalk marks. There's one hook every 120 centimetres. We grind this part of the tile here so the hook sits nice and snug on the tile.
I want everything weather tight, so I want tiles to come back down so you work.
Right, so we've got all the hooks in now. And now Dan's starting to put the rails on the hooks. Like so, and then the panels will attach to these rails. So we've got the rails on now, ready for the panels to be attached to the rails. So the guys are just cable tying the cables to the rails, so nice and neat and tidy under the array. So the east facing roof has now been panelled. There's no shading on this array, so we haven't fitted optimizers to this array. What we have done is fitted bird mesh to the perimeter of this array to stop unwanted wildlife nesting underneath the panels potentially. For those of our customers that are concerned about wildlife, this is quite a popular add-on. So we've now panelled the south-facing roof at the rear of the property. These panels will encounter some shading from this roof from the house. So what we've chosen to do on this array is fit 7 optimizers to the back of these panels. What this will do is allow each panel in this string to operate independently. So if a shadow occurs on one of the panels, it just affects that panel rather than all of them. So it significantly reduces the impact of shading on the panels there. Okay, so we're in the garage now. The electrical install is now in. So we have a Solace 6 kilowatt string inverter. This converts the electric from DC into AC, so it can be used in the house. And then that is linked to this main consumer unit where the electric comes into the house. Any excess solar production from the panels will be diverted to this battery, which is the Give Energy all-in-one 13.5 kilowatt. This does have functionality where you can charge it overnight on cheap tariffs with various energy suppliers such as Octopus. That way, in the winter, when the solar's not generating much, the customer can still save a lot on their electric. So the Give Energy all-in-one battery comes with this, which is called the Gateway, which is a whole house EPS socket for power cut situations. Okay, so the install is now all done and the customers are super happy. See you next time.